Hello and welcome back to the Tech Blackboard. Friends, today I'm with you to make a quick announcement that tomorrow on 15th of August, I'm launching, or should I say completely revamping the entire website thetechblackboard.com. On this new website's homepage, you will find all the latest released videos, blogs and our services. And then the biggest and the most powerful section of this website is the blog section. The section that holds a treasure of knowledge, detailed cloud concepts, topics, articles, cross-references to the videos, Microsoft documentation, announcements from Azure, AWS and GCP and a lot more. A 360 degree of learning. And then we have exam Q&A section. This section holds all the latest and the comprehensive video series, real exam questions and the answers on various cloud certifications. Thirdly, we have the news section. This section will keep you updated on the latest and the greatest happenings in the cloud world. Exam updates, announcements, critical exam dates, everything that you need to keep a tab on the very latest in the cloud world. And finally, the download section where you can download all the PDFs of the exam Q&A series on various certifications. And very soon, my friends, you will be able to download the cheat sheets and the ebooks. Everything is free, so make your learning unstoppable. And friends, if you have any suggestions or feedback for me for the website or the YouTube channel, I'm eagerly checking my mailbox. Connect us at thetechblackboard.com. Please do send your valuable input to this email ID. And that's all for today, and please do not forget to tune in to the YouTube channel on the 17th August, the coming Thursday. On this day, we are coming up with a video with 765 questions on AZ900. Yes, you heard it, 765 questions. One sitting on this video and you will be Azure certified. So that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay fit, keep learning and thanks for watching.